to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Yes, and if this is the first time to visit my channel, Karibu Sana, Karibu Sana. Thank you so much for clicking to this specific video. Please don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. So I've been getting so many questions about YouTube, but the most common question has been, how do I start? How do I start a YouTube channel? Let me tell you guys, it's very easy to start a YouTube channel, and I think everyone can start a channel. But I don't want to scare you. How to maintain? How to maintain is what is important. Yes. So my name is Alice Amy. For those who have never watched me, if it's your first time to watch me, welcome and welcome. To my existing subscriber, 1,000 and plus, I want to thank you so much for keeping it up here with me. Thank you for sharing. Actually, you guys share my videos, and I don't take you for granted. Like, I love you all for free. Yeah, so like I was saying, the most asked the most asked question at the moment is, how do I start a YouTube channel? Very simple. You have a smartphone, you're done. You have a smartphone, you're done. Yeah, so first of all, I'm going to start with the basics. But I'm going to also talk about what people don't tell you. Someone will just tell you need a smartphone, you need maybe a good camera, but there are some other things that you also have to know before starting a channel. Like, I wouldn't advise someone to start a channel yet they don't even know how to edit. Not unless you're going to put in money, get someone to edit for you. But these are things you can even do in your own free time. There are so many editing apps, and some of which are user friendly. Let me tell you, I'm not a good editor, and I did not go to school to edit. I didn't even take up a course, but I edit my videos. I edit my thumbnails. I I edit my videos, I edit my thumbnails, and everything. Whatever you see on my channel, it's me. I shoot myself. But I am going to give a shout out to my brother. My brother has always been my inspiration, my greatest and biggest. I think I've learned a lot of things from him. Yes. Yeah. So first things first. Before I even start talking about a smartphone, there are apps you'll have to know. Okay, of course you have the smartphone with you, because yeah, you have a smartphone with you. You'll need an editing app. You also need an app that can assist you do thumbnails. Thumbnails are those. It's a picture that you see before watching a video. Yes, that's what they call a thumbnail. Something that picture that attracts you. Sometimes you find that before clicking on a channel, there is a picture on that video that sometimes you can easily give you the interest or capture your attention for you to watch a video. So you'll need a thumbnail. You need to know how to do a thumbnail. You need to know how to shoot. And then also the other thing, today I'm talking about the basic things, and then I'll also do a video on the apps that I use to shoot my videos. So I've talked about a phone. So you also need editing or editing apps. You need an app that can assist you in thumbnails. Some apps can do both, editing both a video and a thumbnail. And then also the other thing that you need to know is you need to have a niche like somewhere that you'll feel comfortable, like what you feel you are able to do, that you're free to do. Like, let me tell you personally, I love shooting videos, but I am not I'm a bit shy, so I can't do videos outside. They are like, if I if I go to town, I can't do such content, not unless I'm with someone. Like, maybe if I'm with someone, I can be able to do that. But if I'm alone, I can't do such content. Yeah, so I always prefer looking at the kind of content I can do indoors. Like right now, I'm here, I'm seated, and I'm doing a video. Yeah, you see. So you need to have a niche. There are so many. There are people who do cooking, there are people who normally do music, there are people who do comedy, there are people who teach. Like my brother, his channel is more like tutorial based. He teaches people about electrical stuff, like in wiring and so on. So there are so many niches. When you go on YouTube and search niches or topics, it will give you a lot of, or it will give you a lot of content ideas. It will bring a lot of things, because these are things that people have also shoot, and these are things that people have done. So the good thing with YouTube is that it's not about you and you. Like, someone won't come and ask you, why did you do that, and it's what I've been doing. Like, people copy each other, but now what makes yours different is how you bring it out. So always try to ensure that you do the best out of what you're doing, because the same thing that you're doing, there are a million videos on the channel. So imagine if someone is typing about, let me say, cooking beans, there are so many videos that are going to drop on your channel or on your phone, having the same title or slightly similar to what, but having the same meaning. You see, yeah. So have a niche. Then also the other thing is that be determined, have a goal. Me, I told you these are things that people won't tell you, but I'm going to tell you. Set your goal as a person. Give yourself a target. Remember, you're starting from zero, uh, and maybe people don't even know you. Same way people didn't know me, but my channel is growing every day. You see, yeah. So have a goal on how you're going to achieve your first 100 subscribers, your first 500 subscribers, your first 1,000 subscribers. Have a goal in terms of subscribers. Have a goal in terms of videos. Don't mind about the views. The views will come for as long as you're shooting videos. The views will come. So for as long as you're uploading, also set a target. Let your viewers know when you upload. Do you upload once a week? Do you upload twice a week? Don't be someone who uploads today and then take 2 weeks without uploading this one. But I'm changing. Yes. So have a goal, know when you to shoot. Let your viewers know when they expect content, and then also let your viewers know what you're delivering. Don't do a video of cooking, again you go do news, again you go do, like, you're confusing them. They don't know. Some of them are going to end up, okay, it's not bad, because when you're starting, you're trying to find yourself. But the moment you notice, when I do such content, people love it. When I do house updates, people love it. Stick to that. When I do cooking videos, like, people love it. Stick to that. It's not bad for you to discover yourself for the first 1 or 2 months or 3 months, but like, let it not repeat itself. Try to get to know the videos that people watch most or love to watch. That's what you'll have to stick to. The other thing that I'm going to talk about is yes. So you have a phone, you have a niche, you have a goal, what, when, what. Also, you I talked about also editing. You need to know how to edit, not unless you're going to ask someone to edit for you, or you're going to pay someone to do the work for you. Any other thing I've left out on how to start a YouTube channel? Be consistent. Did I mention that? You really need to be consistent, and that is from the day you have begun. After you've set a goal, of course, you setting a goal, being consistent. Okay, setting a goal, being consistent. Okay, you being setting a goal, of course, will lead you to consistency, because if you, after knowing that okay, if you have all the time, why not to give up videos for almost every day? Why not put a video every day? But if you don't have time like me, like I have to balance work, I have to balance home because I have a baby, then I also have to shoot. Yes. So balancing them hasn't been easy, but I'm trying so much. But what I'm talking about is um setting up your goal and knowing when to, how many videos you need, will help you plan yourself out. And also it will make you be consistent in the, will make you be consistent in that if you use of uploading Monday, Wednesday and Friday, you have to retain to maintain that. That's what I mean by consistency, even if it's not every day. But if you have begun by uploading or putting up 4 videos a week, for as long as you keep doing it until you don't stop doing it, it's what I mean by being consistent. Is there anything else I've left out before I end this video? What else? Um, and then also the other thing is make your research, like watch from other YouTubers. If you have a niche, if you have something that you want to do, it's very much okay for you to watch even 10 videos about the same thing and get ideas of how to make your own the best. Are we together? Yes. Yeah, so I think I've been able to pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in our next video, I want us to talk about the apps that I use to shoot. What I use to shoot, the phone, the type of phone I use to shoot videos. Or I also talk about the apps I use. Yes. So that was it for this video. If it was helpful, please don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. If you have someone who would love to start YouTube, share with them this video, and you're going to be the very best friend for that person this year. See you in another video.